If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel, we talk about personal finances and a lifestyle. Today, we are going to do a cash envelope stuffing video and talk a little bit about this 2 weeks budget. So first off, let me unstuff this wallet, this envelope. Today we are stuffing $590. Oh, something's missing. Okay, so yeah, I found it. I could take it out. I did not have my cash breakdown card, so I had to use this. So I'm going to put this on the side. So we have the 50s, $20s, it has been a while since I've been to the bank teller because by the time I get out of work and pick up my son, they're closed. So I've been using the ATM, which I don't really care for. So I really haven't been stuffing my envelopes in a while. I said 420s. Okay, so something is wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 hundreds instead of 5. So that means we should have 100 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is gonna be interesting. Why I feel like there's more money that was taken out. Okay. So let's do the calculation. So we have 1, 2, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 100. That's why. I asked for hundreds, they gave me 50s. So 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 100. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus another 100. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 matches up. Plus 80. And then we have, I told them 2, 5, so this should be $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have the right amount, not in the actual quantity that I wanted, but I will just have to make do. I will just have to make do. Yes. So I haven't really been at the ATM or the bank, and I've been winging life. And I'm like, oh, it's summertime. I'm home. I feel like this is going to be my reset month. Getting my life together as much as I can. So the first thing I'm going to stuff is daycare. So daycare, wait, it doesn't even matter, you can't see it. Daycare is getting $450. That's how much it costs for 2 weeks. So I'm gonna use all the 50s. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 25. Now we're gonna do 225 again, because that's the breakdown of each week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 200, 20, and then 5. So this is going to be for daycare. Next is going to be self-care. I am trying my best to do as much self-care as I can. I think at least a month. I should do one maintenance thing a month, or I would say 2 things, because getting my eyebrows done is about $6. The nails, the toes, that's where it becomes a little more expensive. So I noticed that my nails last about a month. I'm going to this new place, so it lasts a month. So if I do it once a month, then that's not killing my bank, but still allowing me to enjoy my money. So I'm gonna do $40. With this $40, I think I can go get my eyebrows done. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. And then whatever's left over, I'll save it for when I have to do my nails again, because I think my nails was about $90. I was budgeting $100. I think it was like $80, $90. The receipt is somewhere here. Then we are going to do groceries. I don't have an envelope for groceries. I'm gonna actually put this back into my wallet. Oh, I did not unstuff my wallet. That's okay. I can do that now. So how are you guys this summer is going? Like, I'm a teacher. That's my profession by day. And there are things that I wanted to do this summer that I don't think I'm going to have the time to do. Oh, look at all of these receipts. I don't think I'm gonna have the time to do everything that I wanna do this summer. But how's your summer going? Oh, this is from when we went to Mexico. Super cute. I have to put this in my sketchbook. We took a family trip to Mexico, which was really, really cool. This was the first time my son was on the airplane, so that was cool. All right, so yeah, so now my wallet is unstuffed, and it, still looks bad, but not terrible. I can finally put in the $100 for groceries. I was gonna do an Instacart, but I think since I'm home this summer, let's just go to the grocery store and get our groceries and not be that way. Just get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 100. Now we are ready to go grocery shopping. I didn't really talk a lot about my budgeting, but this was a quick cash stuffing. I didn't have a lot of sinking funds that I wanted to stuff, but I think I'm just gonna do another video with my cash breakdown, and that will be posted before this cash envelope stuffing. So I hope you had a good time. Please tell me what you're doing this summer, the things that you're keeping in your budget. Like, I'm trying to keep maintenance and self-care in my budget. What are things that you have to keep? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.